Welcome back to GreenTGarden. In this video I'm going to show you guys when and how to know your butternut squash is ripe and ready and how to harvest it in a short real quick video, guys. Right here, as you see, it's a golden tan color. Sorry about the sunlight. Even like knock on it is really hard. Put your thumbnail in it, it can't really go. Solid, I mean really solid, guys. Even something the tendril or the leaf will get brown. That's another little sign you could see. And the bottom, guys, you could see it's really with the sun, I'm going to show you, it's really a tan color. I got a lighter green stripe here, but it's not dark green stripes on the top. If you have a lot of green stripe on the top, leave it for a couple days until you get lighter green or lighter yellow stripes actually, or to no stripes on the top. And you can see there's no green or no stripe. It's just a yellow golden tan color, and that's perfect. Really good time to harvest. I'm going to show you guys how a green one look real quick. You can see this one right here. You can see the green, it's a lighter green, and then you got darker green from the top right there, so that you could clearly see. Sorry about the sunlight, let's see if we can block it. You can clearly see this one is not ripe or ready. Bring you guys to another one just to give you guys a great idea. Sometimes that's a sign with the leaves turning brown, but as you could see on this one, guys, is the gold tan coming up. No green, and you could see on the tip right here, it's a little bit brown. That's another indication too. If it's a little brown with your tan color and it's really hard, guys, perfect time. Get a sharp pruner or scissors. It's a little bit tough to cut. You come right here, so you're gonna leave at least an inch, and you snap it right there. So got a little dirt, but if you guys could see, golden brown tan color, guys, really hard. Your nail can't even get in there. That's how hard the skin is. And guys, doesn't matter the size of the squash. Once it turns yellow tan color and is really hard, you do want to harvest it. Very important for harvest, so the plant could use more energy to the other butternut squash to get them ripe or growing. So make sure you harvest your butternut squash on point, guys, on time. So I normally leave 1 inch on the top of the butternut squash, so as you guys see right there. And this thing is massive, guys. I'm gonna clean it out on the bottom. You guys could always put cardboard on the bottom. It's always good to protect it. But butternut squash, since it's really hard, it protected by itself most of the time. But do recommend putting a cardboard on the bottom. Will be really good. And guys, as you see, it's easy. You want to get that gold tan color. No, you don't want a lot of green on the top, just a little bit green on the top, it's fine. Really hard skin. I'm going to show you guys right now. You drop this, massive. Oh, you could even break up your plant. Massive, really hard, guys. All right, guys, so thank you guys for watching GreenTGarden.